Hey guys, so I've got a product that could really help you on your day-to-day. If you go to work, you're in your car most of the day, you want something to keep your lunch cool. Well, this right here is your perfect option. If you drive a big work truck or any kind of vehicle like I've got behind me, this can sit perfectly. It's made and designed to fit. It's made and designed for your large bench seat up front, or even if you have an armrest there, this will sit right on top of your armrest. So you can use this as an armrest, or you can put this on top of your armrest and it will fit right in between your driver and passenger seat in the front. And so you've got this section that opens up. You can fit a lot in here. And this right here is a cooler that will be able to keep your food cold during your work days or your trips on vacation. Or you can even install this on your side-by-side or your four-wheeler. This is going to be great for so many applications. I would highly suggest checking into it. But before we go too far, let me show you how this can fit in your vehicle and how it hooks up to your vehicle. First off, we've got your power button here, your set button, your up and down as far as how cold you want it to go. And we're going to go ahead and install it in this car. And you've got this nice area right here for keys. It also includes handles on the front and the back to allow you to easily take this in and out and transport it back and forth. All right, so it gives you several different options as far as plugging this in and getting power to your cooler. Right now, I've got this 12-volt outlet here that can plug in right to the car. And you've also got your regular wall outlet, so you can power this at home or in the vehicle. Right now, since I'm in the vehicle, I will plug this in and have this running right here. Alright, so here we have it. It's plugged in, it is running, and you can change the settings on this up or down depending on your preference on how cold it gets. But it really provides you a lot of space, it provides you light inside of here, and it's already cooling down quite a bit. The sidewalls are getting cool. As you can see, this is going to be great, especially if you have a bench seat in between your driver and your passenger. But even in this situation, it is going to be awesome. And so let me show you just down here. So right there you can see the height of it if you had a bench seat going across. And then if you'd like to keep it up here, you certainly can. Or even if you're driving something bigger, you can keep it in the back seat for kids to grab snacks out of, or for those long road trips. So I would highly suggest checking into this if you're looking for a great cooler to take anywhere to keep your food cold and refreshing throughout the day. As an illustration, I've got some cans where I'm going to fill this up with cans, and that is definitely getting cold already. I've got 3 in there so far. So these ones on top. Alright, so this easily holds 12 cans, and you've even got some extra space if you wanted to put a couple sandwiches on top of here. You've got plenty of space to keep your food cold throughout the day. It also includes a little bit of grip up here if you are using this as an armrest. This can be a little bit more comfortable than the hard plastic, and I really love that they added that feature.